In this video I will show you how to monitor real-time system performance from Windows command line. For this I will take help of Typeperf command, which is powerful tools to monitor and display real-time CPU usage on your system. To use this, press Windows plus R to open Run dialog box. There type CMD and click on OK button. Here type following command and press enter. I will provide these used command in description. When you execute the command, the Typeperf utility begins to display real-time updates of CPU used %. By default, it captures and displays this data every second. You can see first CPU usage recorded is 14.59% in first second at that time, and so on. You can press Ctrl plus C to break the execution. If you want to capture on timely basis, then type this command. This command captures CPU usage every 2 seconds for 10 times. You can change this interval according to your wish. You can save this records in CSV file. For this, type this command. You can change your location as your wish. It is keep recording that in CSV file. Go and check in that location. You can see records are saved in proper format in CSV. Now if you want to monitor both CPU usage and available memory, then type following command. You can see this second column is displaying CPU usage and third column is displaying available RAM memory in MBytes. In this way we can monitor real-time CPU usage and memory usage using Windows command prompt. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.